In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Steam trading cards. We're going to use the Steam Community Market, which is the official marketplace where players buy and sell items with their Steam wallet. This is a quick, safe way to pick up the exact cards you need for crafting badges or completing a set. First, open Steam on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and everything is up to date so the market loads correctly. You'll see the main navigation along the top of the window. Hover over Community and click Market. This takes you to the Community Market homepage, where you can browse items from countless games, including trading cards. At the top of the Market page, use the search bar to find what you want. You can type the name of a specific game to see all its items, or type the exact card name if you already know it. As you type, suggestions will appear to help you land on the right result. If you searched by game, you'll see a list of all items for that title. Look for the trading card category and apply it if needed. Sorting by lowest price or newest listings can help you spot good deals quickly. Click on the card you're interested in to open its listing page. Here, you'll see the current lowest price, how many listings are available, a short description, and sometimes a price history graph. Double-check that it's the regular or foil version you want, since foils are typically more expensive. It's also helpful to confirm the artwork matches the card you're collecting for your badge. When you're ready, click Buy. A confirmation window will show the item price plus the Steam market fee, and you'll see the final total. Take a moment to review these details so there are no surprises. If everything looks good, proceed to the purchase confirmation. Your purchase uses your Steam wallet balance. As long as you have enough funds, click to confirm, and the transaction will complete in a moment. Steam will place a buy order at the listed price, and once it matches a seller, the card is added to your account automatically. You can find it in your inventory under the appropriate game, ready to use for crafting, trading, or keeping. That's all there is to it. Open Steam, head to the community market, search for the game or card name, pick the card you want, click Buy, and confirm using your Steam wallet. With a few clicks, you'll have the exact trading cards you're after. Thanks for watching and enjoy building your collection.